Hi friends, I am Devi. I am back with another famous story from our Upanishads. In this series of narrating stories and slokas from our Upanishads, I am trying to tell some very valuable chants and stories associated with it. These stories are not only pleasing to listen but can transform our outlook towards many things in our life. Today, I am presenting in front of you another powerful sloka following an equally powerful story. For those who are watching me for the first time, kindly check my previous videos. The link is there in the description box. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for further notifications. My today's story is from Brihat Aranyaka Upanishad. The dialogues are between Balaki and King Ajatashatru. Let me start my today's video with a chant related to the story. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mritangamaya Aviravirma Edhi. Once there bred a scholarly Brahman in this country named Bharata. His name was Balaki. He belonged to the race of Garga, or commonly Gargya. He was well studied in the knowledge and science of Brahman and was very much arrogant of his knowledge. He wanted to demonstrate his expertise before an emperor called Ajatashatru, somebody for whom no rival has yet been born, the king of Kashi. One day, Balaki neared him and said, I shall teach you all regarding Brahman. The king was gratified that he got a chance to apprehend more about Brahman from a scholarly Brahmin. He welcomed Balaki with all reverence and told him, You are so kind indeed to offer me this knowledge. The king replied, Because of your grace and the wisdom that you want to share with me. Unasked, I shall give you 1,000 cows like King Janaka. So, King Ajatashatru took it as a humble opportunity of following Janaka by learning from Balaki and granting him a gift in the same custom. King Ajatashatru and learned Balaki sat together and then started the whole conversation. Balaki said, I reflect upon the person in the sun as Brahman. You also did meditation. It was nothing new for King Ajatashatru. So he submissively replied, I do meditate upon the sun, but not as you do. The purpose is that the sun is only a conditioned form. You are analyzing that conditioned form as the absolute. This is not how it should be envisioned. There is a truth behind the sun which is the preeminent, the head of all beings, the glorious. I meditate upon that. This reality could have taken many forms other than the sun, and so resorting to that reality behind this form typically heads to the realization of each of the form. That is what I meditate upon the King of all beings. One who meditates this in this manner, the reality behind the sun becomes paramount among all people. He becomes a king in the circle, moves, and this is the result of such meditation. The dialogue continued. Balaki then related to the spirit in the moon as the Brahman and as the object of his meditation. Hearing this, the king replied, I do meditate upon the moon, but not the way you do. I reflect upon him as the vast luminous Soma who embraces the whole creation in this expansive spirit of life-giving delight, and this transcends in its brilliance in the scope of the wild purity of its forms. One who contemplates upon him thus as the terming yelp of this essence of all life experience. Soma is everlasting. His nourishment does not fade. Balaki further pointed to the person in the flash of lightning as Brahman and as the object of his contemplation. That too was not new to King Ajatashatru. He said to Balaki, I do not reflect upon lightning in the way you have told me. I merely contemplate radiance. Lightning is one of the forms of potential radiance. There can be various other forms of radiance or brilliance. It can be the luster of lightning, it may be that of the sun, it may be of the moon, it may be of fire, it may be one's perception. But I envision the brilliance or the luster itself, and I know that one who thus reflects becomes brilliant, his descendants too become glorious. In this manner, the discussion between Balaki and Ajatashatru went on. Balaki denoted how that he meditates upon in the sky, in the wind, in fire, in water, in the mirror, in the sound that flows after one as he goes, in the sections of space, in the shadow and the body as Brahman. But every time he was disputed by King Ajatashatru with a fresh analysis of which he had no idea. He realized that there was evidently something more of Brahman which was not recounted by the indication of which he spoke so boastfully. It thus happened that at one point Balaki remained absolutely silent because he did not have anything more to attempt. Ajatashatru illuminated to Balaki that Brahman cannot be known by knowing only that much, that there was much more to know about the Brahman. Balaki realized his shortcomings and his arrogance melted like ice. He aspired to know what he had not known. He approached Ajatashatru as a disciple and appealed to the king to grant to him the right knowledge of the Brahman. Ajatashatru was a king and a Kshatriya. Balaki was a Brahman. A Brahman coming to a Kshatriya as a student was not very natural. King Ajatashatru was conscious of him, elation and hesitation to become a teacher of Brahman Balaki. But he did not want to deny Balaki of the knowledge he so instantly aspired to know. So he offered his throne to Balaki and dressed like an ascetic and then started enlightening him on the subject of Brahman. In the whole of chapter 2, the first section of the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad contains the entire story and the way Ajatashatru gave Balaki a very impressive knowledge of the Brahman. The moral of the story is, we could consider the essence of all the tangible and intangible objects as a point of contemplation to have their auspicious properties. But we should meditate upon the supreme truth behind these creations as Brahman, which gives meaning to all and who illuminates everything. Friends, that's all for now. We will meet again, and please do not forget to include meditation in your daily life for inner purity. On that positive note, I end my today's video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep smiling. Thank you. Bye-bye.